Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another edition of Cookie Monster's Model World. Today we've got a very special delivery from a recent English auction, in which I was lucky enough to pick up this ultra rare Volvo ec700 BLC. These are extremely hard to come by and are commanding quite a price in the marketplace at the minute. Not uncommon to sell for £300 plus. As we can see, they were produced by Motor Art. This is the high-tech line, whatever that is. Motor Art collectible models. Made in China, Motor Art SE, Sweden, and as we know, Volvo are also Swedish. So, without any further ado, let the child see the toy. Interesting little pop covers, and wowie, moving on from the last review's disappointment to this review's absolute delight upon discovery that this in fact appears to have not ever been out of the box. It is brand spanking clean as a whistle, with the wrappers still on the tracks. So this is the standard boom version. As some of you may or may not know, Motor Art also produced a high reach demolition version, the boom of which was a little bit disappointing on detail in some respects. This boom is in fact very sharply cast with some lovely detail. Top of the boom you can see the little distance warning decal. We have some block detail. However, we are unfortunately lacking hydraulic lines, but this is easily forgiven as this is quite an early model before good hose detail was commonplace. But overall, lovely sharp casting on the boom, the bucket. Although the boom is of hollow casting with plastic inserts, which I wouldn't be a great fan of, as it's quite apparent, lets down the detail a little, but the colour match appears pretty good. On the back of the boom we have some mock hydraulic hoses cast on. We have little work lights cast on, which again falls short of today's detail of separate pushed in items. But lovely casting and a lovely paint finish. The base of the rear of the boom, we have not the best detail in the world. We have mock slew motor gearboxes. We don't have an opening bonnet as you would do on today's later models. Don't have perforated side steps or perforated engine cooling grill. Do have some nice little warning decals, plastic handrails with okay color match. Some nice little reflector tail reflector inserts on the rear there, and a nice cast on Volvo logo. Nice finish, slightly lacking detail. The undercarriage, again, fixed idler wheel. They do indeed appear to be plastic. Some little detail on the battery box picked out on silver, which was a nice little touch. Little side step. On the operator's side, we have some little plastic steps, handrails, some cab detail, which is quite nice. Travel levers, pedals, operator's levers, and a blue sunroof, and some wiper details. The cab would be of a high standard with a amber beacon. Some hose detail on the main lift rams, which would have been nice to replicate it on the other hydraulic cylinders, particularly the bucket cylinder. Some nice side steps on the undercarriage. Good casting detail on the bottom rollers, but no rollers present. We have some mock top rollers and a fixed undercarriage. One to 50 Volvo, made in China, motor art. So yeah, that just about covers this quick review, and as usual I'll grab another excavator in similar size category for a little comparison. So here we have the Doosan ec700. Similar build quality, more pipe detail, worse pin detail, similar plastic track detail, better slew motor, hose detail, similar grill and side step perforation detail, better top hydraulic cylinder detail, but both overall very good models and extremely similarly sized. And here we have it with the newly released ec700E, a much larger, heavier machine and a vastly superior model. Of course it is probably approaching 12-13 years model production advancement. You have vastly superior details in the likes of hydraulic hoses, perforated walkways, light cab protection detail, bucket detail, just all round a vastly superior model. You have better metal tracks and things like sprung undercarriages, but for its time the ec700 was still a very good model, nicely proportioned, good size and well scaled. So yeah guys, that's today's little review. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, click the subscribe button, ring the bell. Do come back. I'll be putting on more videos. I have no idea what they'll be. They could be model reviews, they could be engineering, they could be off-roading. I don't even know, but I'll try and keep them entertaining. Tell me what you want to see next in the comments. Till the next time, stay safe. Thanks for tuning in. Over and out.